This is the tape we're using. It's a 3M automotive refinish masking tape as opposed to the painter's tape. Leland likes to use this because it's got that stretch to it. So he was just explaining that when you install these, you're going to make minor adjustments on how you want it to hang and how you want this gap to fit. And if something's off on one end versus the other, you can give it a little push back up into a spot and then readjust the tape. And this has got a little bit of a spring to it so that you're able to make those adjustments. But you're basically hanging this thing on here with the tape until that adhesive cures. So it sets up really fast. It's not like it's gonna slide around, but you do wanna give it a press into place, and then the adhesive starts to set up and you got it in its final position.